Hi, I'm Gideon Usani, a front-end web development engineer at Atop Web Technologies. And in this video, we are going to be vibe coding a to-do app with Google AntiGravity. So Google AntiGravity IDE is a new IDE that was just released by Google. And so we are going to be testing out its functionalities, and we are going to be doing it with vibe coding. And most of us know what vibe coding is. We are not going to be writing any codes ourselves. In this case, we are going to AI is going to do everything for us. So if you want to know more about the Google Anti-Gravity IDE, my colleague Harrison dropped another vibe coding session on our YouTube. Go check it out. Right. So let's get to it. So to get started, I went to another AI tool. In this tutorial, we are totally testing out the capabilities of AI in helping us code applications. My first prompt was give me steps to use using vibe coding a to-do app with Google Gravity IDE. So it gave me a set of prompts of which I did not really like. So the whole idea of this is like we need a step-by-step guide on how to do this, right? So I had to redefine my prompt. So I said, give me a prompt to copy and paste. Let the app do the work. I want to build it with React. So I told it the tools I need to use. So we want to build it with React, ShadCN, Tailwind CSS, primarily any necessary libraries needed. It gave me a different output. So it told me here's a perfect copy and paste prompt. You can give any AI coding to IDE like AntiGravity IDE. So it auto generates a complete to do app using React, Tailwind CSS, ShadCN UI, all required libraries clean and modern. So yeah, we are just going to copy this and then we are going to feed it to our anti-gravity IDE. So yeah, our anti-gravity IDE is open. So we are going to open a folder, or you could open a folder. You can open an agent manager, clone repository. So, but in this case, we are going to just do this. So I have folders where I do. So inside this web dev, we are going to create a folder to do. So we're going to create. Now we'll just go back one step, right, and open this folder. Yes, we trust the authors. So here we have our to-do app folder. Right, we are going to go back to our chat GPT to get our prompts. So we have different options. We have the fast, we have the planning, we have different models, right? But we are going to be making use of the cloud sonnets from my research. I think this is better. So we are going to pass these prompts here. Oh, I think we copied the wrong prompt. So yeah, we're just going to replace that with this. So we're just going to redefine this here, right? Just see using the below prompt, create a plan to build in a to-do app. Let's see. So you see, I will create a comprehensive plan for building your React to-do app with Tailwind CSS chassis. And let me break this down into actionable steps. So you can see it's generating. So yeah, as we can see, to do implementation task list. So it gave us the create implementation plan, get approval. So we can see that here it has done this. So this is the task that we are going to carry out. So this is the implementation plan. So to do app implementation plan, complete implementation plan for building a modern feature-rich to-do application using React, Tailwind, and Shad CNUI components with dark mode support and local storage persistent. Okay, that's nice. So user review required. So this everything is going to create. So this is the name of the app. Install. So you're going to initialize this. So we are just going to, so it's always advisable that you go through the plan and confirm. But we could just run this, right? Okay. So the whole idea is to vibe code this. Well, we are going to tell it to go ahead. Then we would we would check it out. So yeah, we're just gonna let the AI at this point do its thing, right? So we are going to have to give it some permissions and just let it run. You could accept or like just let it do, but I think for me it's advisable that you um follow it step by step. Don't just give it complete permission. Yeah, we have run into some errors and it's fixing those errors itself. So we just have to wait a moment while it fixes our errors for us, you know. Uh, this is cool. So it's actually running a test, yeah. And now our app is up and functional. So we can create our tags. We just create a tags, creates a vibe coding video. Yeah. So we can see that that's been added to our list. We have active, we have completed, we have all. Yeah. So we can tick this as finished, and then you see we have the progress bar that shows everything, right? So yeah, I'll just go through all, and then if you want to add the new tags, and we also have the light and dark mode, like amazing. It set up our light mode, our dark mode, everything. We just close this tab, right? That was the first one that came up. So yeah, what do you think?